Okay, welcome my college prep friends. You've probably already found this, but because you're watching this video, but I just want to show you this master assignment page link I started. So as we do assignments that are like have tutorials and stuff with them, then I'll put them on this page. So if you miss a day or two, you don't have to like scroll through everything to find them. You can just come right here. So we're doing this lesson 4, setting up a live website. We will see how it goes. So first thing you want to do is click on X10 hosting. Should bring you over to here. Now some of you guys did this last year, but I'm sure you didn't like keep your account up over the summer, so it probably died out. So that's okay. You just have to create a new one. So the first thing is you're gonna pick how you want the address of your website. You get to pick the first part. You can't pick the X10 hosting part. That part is automatic. So you call it whatever you want to call it. Something it's kind of snappy, whatever. You know, just keep in mind that people all over the world are making websites, so you can't use something generic, like, you know, Hot Rider or whatever, something like that. Someone else probably already has it. So I'm going to put my name in it. I'm going to call it Richter CP, College Prep. I don't think the capitals actually matter. It won't make a difference. And I'm going to say continue. Now this part, you need to put in your email address. Now since I've already set up an account with them, this might be a problem, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm going to put my email address in. I'm going to say continue. We found you already have an account with us. Okay. Most of you won't get this problem. We found you have already account. Okay, you're signed in. So then now I'm going to continue. View terms of service. Nah, I just agree to it. Submit it. And you signed up. Click here to continue. So far, so lucky. May take a minute to load up. Okay, it came back. And now the email confirmation. Your account's been confirmed. See, I think for you guys, it's gonna pause here. You're gonna have to go to your Gmail or whatever email you used, and you're gonna have to click on a link to confirm it. I didn't have to do that because I'd already had an account with them before. So I think that's a step that I can't show you, but so just pay attention, and you'll see that. You got to go to your email, and then there'll be an email sent to you, and then you can come back, and then it should be more like what's happening now. Alright, get the message now. Sign up. Please stand by. This usually takes about 45 seconds. That's funny. I'll pause while that happens. Okay, now I got my account is ready. Continue. It's going a little slow. I've been pausing sometimes in between these steps, so just be patient with it. Okay, now this is the part. Slow down now, right here. Don't click open cPanel or anything else. The information you need is right here, this quick FTP. If you accidentally click something else and you leave the screen, you basically have to log off and log back in again. Because each time you log into X10, the first screen you see is this. And this is what you want. You need to know this FTP information. There's my username. They assign that to you. So you need that username, and the password's when you picked, which you guys chose your own. But this server name is really important, this X03, and they'll be different depending on what time of the day. So I'm gonna copy that because I need that. And now I'm gonna go over to Dreamweaver. I already have mine open. So you guys open your Dreamweaver up. You can pause this while it's opening, and then hopefully it looks very similar to mine. It's got your pics folder, maybe your class photos. That might be inside your pics, who knows. But it's something like this. And up here it says it's H drive. It's got to be H drive. If it's C drive, not so good, because then you should call me over, and then I can help you fix it. But what we're going to do is we need to tell Dreamweaver about this new site we made. So we have to go in to here and manage sites. Now you probably only have one site up, because I made extra sites for the class. So I'm going to edit the site, whatever you called it. Remember, you call whatever you want, it doesn't matter. And then you're just going to say no, you're next. Now this part here is going to stay the same. most of you probably, if you followed the first video, you're in the folder called College Prep or something like that. So that's good. If yours isn't like this, you can just follow along. If you have any problems, call me over and then I can troubleshoot it with you. But this step here now, this is the new one. How do you connect to your remote server? Before we didn't have one, but now we have one. We're going to use FTP. That's like a name of a protocol, a language that allows you to transfer files over the internet really fast. So what's the host name? Oh, that's the thing that I copied. Okay, so go back here if you missed that. That's right here in this FTP client. And sometimes be careful, because sometimes when you highlight it, you copy an extra space at the end of com. See this little space there? So if you're not being careful, you may have a space there, and that will jack it up. Now this is an important part. It doesn't tell you this on their website, but there's a folder. I'm pretty sure it's called www. There's a folder that they made for you on their website, and they want you to put all your stuff there. So that's why you have to tell Dreamweaver every time you upload a file that you want to put it into the www folder. Now what's your login? That's the one they gave you. I forgot what mine was. It's Richter C. Oh, okay, so it's a part of my domain name, because I called my domain Richter CP. So now it's Richter C. Copy and paste. Once again, make sure there's not a space, and the password is the one that you use to sign in. Now test it and see if it worked. Oh yeah. I don't know if you could hear that or not. So mine worked. Now here's bad news. We're gonna click next, and it's gonna be done. Everything's gonna be good for today, but probably tomorrow or the next time you come on, you probably are gonna have to put this information. At least you're gonna have to put your username and password back in, because even though we're clicking save, I know last year most of the time it wouldn't save it, and you have to put your username and password back in. But it's not that big of a deal. Next, done. Okay, so now I put that information. Now I can connect to my website that's on X10. This little button here connects to remote host. So you click on that button and then pop. Now I clicked on this little guy. See that? That allows me to see both sides. So on the right side, I'm seeing my H drive stuff. On the left drive, I'm seeing the folders and the files that are on the website. And right now it's blank. There's nothing there yet. So like watch, if we went over to X10, this is your actual address, Richter CP or whatever you picked. If you click it, see there's nothing. It's just a blank page. So watch what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put a page there. I'm gonna make something real quick. I'm gonna make my first homepage. I'm gonna create a page. I'm gonna call it Richter's Home. That's my title, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna say welcome to my CP world. That's a customary thing. Every time you're doing programming, like the first thing you always make a computer program is says like, you can say like hello or welcome to the world or something. So let's see, and I'm gonna save this file. Now this is like really important. When you save it, you have to keep it right at the base. Don't put it inside any little folders. It's got to stay out all by itself, and it's got to be called index. And it can't have a capital I, no capitals. It's got to be called index. Just your home page on every single web server on the entire planet Earth, the home page is always called index. And it's just a if you think about it, maybe you can figure out why they did that. I'll tell you why in a minute. But let's see now. So now I made it here, but if you look here, it's not over on the website yet. So it's here on my H drive on the right, but on the left it's not there. So I have to get it over there. I have to upload it. So here's the easiest way. I'm going to show you the easiest way to upload a file. The file's open. This little blue arrow and green arrow, file management. The blue is up, the green is down. I want to put it up. To get it is to go over there and get it from their side. To put it is to put it up into the to upload it. So I'm going to put it. It says, do you want to put dependent files? Always just say yes. The dependent files, where if there's any pictures on the page, I don't have any pictures, but if I did, I'd want to upload those too. And now it connects and it's uploading, and it's probably done. I'm going to come back over here, and now I'm going to hit refresh. Refresh. Oh, there it is. Now notice it took a couple tries. There's a little lag sometimes because yeah, you uploaded it, but sometimes even though you uploaded it, it takes a moment for it to on their servers to update. And then over here, you should be able to verify and see. It should be over here, the file but I don't see it, so I'm gonna hit refresh. Oh yeah, there it is. So there's the file. I made it on the right side, and then I uploaded it and it showed up on the left, and then I also went on the internet and I saw it. So that, my friends, is good. Now I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm gonna make a list of all my assignments, which is only one so far. You just did your class photo page, if you even did that one. Actually, let's not even do that yet. That can be a next video. What I want to do now is I want to just save this bad boy. And now the last step is I need to know your web page because I have no idea what your address is. So you could register that with me. So what you want to do is come back here, verify it works. Okay, it's all good. You make something. It doesn't. You can have more than this. You can write whatever you want on there. Then I would bookmark it too, because then like tomorrow and the next day you can come back to your own page. And then copy your address, come back to the assignment, and right here where it says register the site with me, click on this, web design, registering your website. So put in your name, which hour you're taking. I gotta fix this. It should be which hour you're taking college prep. And then copy and paste your address. Alright, this is hour 1. My name is Victor. You can put your whole name in. Any comments or suggestions you have, whatever, you can always just tell me too. And then just hit submit. And then I can find your page, because otherwise there's like no way I can find it, because it's just some random thing. So hopefully that is all good. And if you guys get stuck along the way, ask me. I'll help you out, or maybe your neighbor. Hopefully it goes smoothly for you.